Welcome. We're going to start off this morning by creating a Class Dojo account. We go to classdojo.com and then you're going to sign up as a teacher. I'm going to put in a testing. Please make sure that you use your MPS login, your email for MPS. Sign up. It'll create an account for you. Then you want to add our school, Lancaster. And you'll notice that it says Lancaster North 68th Street. That's our school. Join the school. And then it's going to ask you to have a verification email. And then you'll see the different options that basically Class Dojo will assist. I'm just going to check them all so we can see all the different benefits that Class Dojo will bring. You're going to add a new class. This is where it might be the most tedious, is as you name the class, please name it based on your grade level first. So let's say first grade, I'm going to use Miss Allen. What you want to be able to do is you want to be able to share all points with parents. Create your class. So here's where you're going to add in your students. I would pull up Infinite Campus in a separate tab and maybe just split your screen or have your class roster in front of you. But this is where you're going to be able to start pulling students that we have maybe in the system already. And if you do use a student who's been in the system already, it'll just automatically pull them up. But you would just want to go through and add all of your students' names. We're going to save. And then here's a couple of the areas that you want to be able to use when using your Class Dojo account. You want to invite your families, and this is going to be where it's going to be most important with your communication piece. You're going to want to be able to talk to the parents and be able to send messages back and forth. So you can actually, when it says download a print off, it's just giving you a code. So it doesn't necessarily mean you have to download it specifically, but it will give you another tab allowing you to connect with the parents. And that code will then be below. And it'll give the parents directions on how to add that student's account number. Also, you can add parents' phone number or email. And I'm not able to move down, but you can actually add the parents' email or phone number along here as well, and then it'll invite the parents. We're going to do a couple things of editing. Our classroom. Here's our name. Our students, you can always go back to add more students. Your family is sharing the information. And now our skills. What is it that you're wanting to give your students points for or take points away from them? So it might be that they showed up for morning meeting. It might be participating in class. And then continue to make the choices that you would like to have for students to edit here. And also, if we go to the next tab above, it says needs work. What are things that you are going to basically take points away from students and if they weren't doing something correctly?